Can Chime use Zelle? Let's break it down. Alright, so you've got Chime, right? That slick little app that's promising to revolutionize your finances. And you've heard about Zelle, the lightning-fast way to send money to friends and family. But here's the burning question: can these two financial powerhouses actually work together? Let's dive in. Now, you might be thinking, why does this even matter? Well, picture this: you're out with friends, you split the bill, and you want to send your share instantly. Zelle sounds perfect, right? But what if your primary bank is Chime? Can you pull it off? That's exactly what we're here to figure out. First off, let's talk about what Zelle actually is. It's not a bank, it's a network that connects different financial institutions. So, for Zelle to work, your bank or credit union needs to be part of that network. Here's the kicker: Chime isn't a traditional bank. It's what we call a fintech company. While it offers many bank-like services, it doesn't have the same structure. And because of that, it's not currently part of the Zelle network. So, there you have it. As of now, you can't directly link your Chime account to Zelle. Bummer, right? But don't hit that unsubscribe button just yet. There's a silver lining. Chime has its own way of sending money, called Pay Anyone. It's pretty similar to Zelle, actually. You can send money to almost anyone with just their phone number or email. And the best part? It's usually instant. So, while it's not Zelle, it can definitely scratch that itch. Now, some folks might be thinking, can I just link my Chime debit card to Zelle? Well, technically you can, but it's not ideal. See, when you link your debit card to Zelle, you're essentially using your card as a payment method, not your bank account. This can sometimes lead to extra fees or even declined transactions. So, while it's possible, it's not the most efficient or cost-effective way to go. So, to recap, Chime can't directly use Zelle, but it has its own feature called Pay Anyone that does a pretty good job. And while you can link your Chime debit card to Zelle, it's generally not recommended. But hey, this is a fast-moving world. Things change all the time. So, while we can't say for sure what the future holds, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on updates from both Chime and Zelle. You never know, they might surprise us. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.